Hey there, YouTube. Unfortunately, I have another buyer beware. Buyer beware TomTop. TomTop. I feel like silly even saying that name. TomTop is an eBay seller. TomTop is a huge seller that they sell everything. Whatever it is from China, they are selling it. And I'm guessing they are just a middleman company. And the reason buyer beware is they tend to get the low-end merchandise. They get the factory thirds. That's what TomTop is. That's why they're 10 to 25% more affordable. Now, I have no problem with that, but when they sell you stuff that's junk or it's broken or mismanufactured, they need to give you the money back, and they don't. TomTop will game you out. They will play you, and they take advantage of the eBay system. Like, they will wait the maximum amount of time, and that last minute they'll send the message back, hoping that you'll forget. And then they'll be like, can we send you we'll give you, the item was $7, so we're going to give you $1.50 back. How's that? For something that you can't use because it's garbage. So, yeah, buyer beware TomTop. I bought two things from them. A whole locking nut system for a guitar. The first one was bent, and I photographed that and said, any attempt to bend it back will crack. Oh, well, how about if we give you $3? Well, I'm not having this piece on my guitar where I'm going to slide my hand with this crack. The string won't even fit. If I bend it, and I did, I used a mechanic screwdriver and wedged it in there and gave it a tiny little amount of pressure, and it cracked off. And plus, where the back plate, on the other side, it totally gouged out. This was the cheapest pot metal I have ever seen in my life. And this was because it dropped. They dropped the item in shipping, and they didn't even roll it in a little bit of bubble wrap, would have saved it. So the second one they sent didn't even fit. And there's YouTube videos of this. I don't know who they paid to make these videos. Oh, it screws right on, but the screw holes are off by 1.5 centimeters. So I photographed that. I managed to try to modify everything. I'm glad I didn't drill the neck of a guitar out, because that's what I was tempted to do, was fill the holes and then drill it out, but I didn't. So I'm going with double ball end strings on my Steinberger because TomTops kept sending me garbage, and it made this ordeal so long between the two refunds of the same thing that it took up, way more time, and I wasted 2 sets of strings, and I told them, so on the second refund, by telling them, I expressed to them, this has cost me not only my time, but a set of strings. So then we'll give you $3 back. No, nothing. And the first thing that I sent them was photographs, and the photographs were macro, high-quality photographs that had been edited with text imprinted in yellow with a box with a line on it with a circle where the damage was. And then, explaining to them nothing will do except a full refund to make me happy on this. And then they send me back, a week later, I get a message back, send some photographs so we can consider. I sent you the photos with the first message like I always do. So they play games. So the second one, they sent me, they said, yeah, go ahead and return it. And I clicked on this label to have it printed. I asked someone to handle that for me. When you click on that label, it takes $3.07 out of your PayPal. So when I got the refund, it was I had to pay the return shipping, and they waited till the last possible day to pay everything. So TomTop, buyer beware. They're getting the factory thirds, and I have tried to reach out to that company, and every time I've tried to talk to them and ask them questions on various other items, I've never received a response from TomTop. They do not care. They represent everything that's wrong and evil about eBay China sellers. They are the worst. So a huge double bird salute for TomTop. You are not getting another cent of this dumb American's money.